Apparently I got Dayak. I'm gonna play something dubious. I have to win this game. Draw is no good. Let's play the two knights tango. Don't know why I played this, by the way. I played this when I was like 15 years old. This is a really... Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong scene. It's not Title Tuesday. There we go. Trying to remember if E5 is playable here or if I'm supposed to go for like A6. My gut says I'm supposed to play like rook E8 and E5. It's been like... I mean, the first time I played this Two Knights Tango was like in 2004 maybe, or 2005, like literally 20 years ago. So it's been a very long time since I last played the Two Knights Tango. But I think E4, I go E5. I mean, again, I haven't looked at this in like literally 500 years. I assume A6 and Rook B8 should make sense here. If D5, I have knight E7. Can also take and sack the rook, maybe. It goes Queen D2, logical. At some point, I'm going to have to play E5, I think. Or I can go B6, maybe. I'm going to play B6. This probably is wrong, but I'm trying to just create some imbalance and keep the time moving on the clock. Something like that, like basically. We get D5. Okay, I have knight A5 here, maybe. Can also go knight E7. Yeah, let's go here and hit the pawn. Okay, now I get E5, and at least now I can kind of pretend to be playing the game. I mean, it's not clear cut, but I can kind of pretend. Okay, bishop G5 is a good move. Or is it? Actually, is it? No, because knight E4, I just take the juicer, and he loses his queen. It's not bad either, but it's... Okay. So I'll go here, just break the pin. I mean, at some point I'm gonna have to go like knight B7, knight A5, I think, or knight C5, but still chances, I think. Still some serious chances. Yeah, let's go here, reroute the horse. I'm a little bit cramped, but so is he. Okay, it goes there. I can play, I think I should play A5 here. I'm probably king H. I'm gonna take on B4 at some point. Maybe I go rook A8 first. I'm trying to keep the game going here. That's what I'm trying to do desperately. I could take here and then go knight G8. I mean, I guess it's a knight G8. Wait, no. Actually, I should take and go here. And F6. Maybe I reroute the knight at some point. I mean, it's still very, very murky. But I think I'm okay, objectively. I think I'm in the game at least. With a chance to maybe create more. I guess I go F6, stop knight G5. Do I have F5? I mean, I kind of feel like I should maybe... Okay, I think I'll take. I'm gonna go rook A8, I think. And like rook A3, maybe? Let's go here, knight F7, maybe. I mean, he could go C5, but I just take and I'm fine. Okay, plays F4, which actually, to be honest, I'm kind of happy to see it. Because now this is gonna get a little bit messy. Yeah, it's gonna get messy, so I'm actually very happy to see this. Trying to cover the F file. I could go F5, maybe. F5 is very interesting here. Probably not right, though. Could take and play G5. This is messy. D5, DE5. Guess I'll go here. Just trying to hold the knights and hold squares here. F5 I can just take, though, I think. And then go like knight H6, maybe? Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. I don't want to waste time. Oh, wait, but he can just take. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. He can just... He can just take. I probably still should have... should have played it anyway, but whatever. Okay. I guess I'll go for it anyway. I can take with a D pawn and play rook c8, I think. c5. Okay, I saw that. Can go knight f7. I think I'll just play here. So I can always take and drop back. Goes knight d4. I have rook a3 maybe? Oh, he's just got the... Okay, he's happy to make a draw here, so he's got 3 seconds. How do I force the game forward? 3 knight c2, and I just don't have a good move. Um, um, how do I do this? There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Oh, no, I messed this up. Okay, now this should be winning. There we go. There we go. Whew. Okay, way too difficult. Way